So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you see my drawing pad? Do you know what shape this is? Yeah, it's a rectangle. Hey, why don't you and I draw some shapes together today? All right, let's pick blue. All right, let's start with a circle. Yeah, you know how to draw a circle. Yeah, a circle is one continuous line, and it continues all the way back to where it started with no sharp corners. Cool, so that is a circle. All right, let's take purple, and let's draw a square. All right, and it is 4 corners that are 90 degrees each. So here's one line, another line, another line, and another line. And that right there is a square. Whoa, hey, and I have a really tricky one. Yeah, and it's part of our bodies, our heart. Oh, because I love you. Here we go. There we go. Wow, what a beautiful heart. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to know one of my favorite snacks when it's really hot outside? Yeah, an ice cream cone. They taste so good, and it's nice and cold when it's hot outside. Hey, why don't you and I draw an ice cream cone? All right, first I'm gonna start with the color purple, and then I'm gonna act like I'm drawing a circle, but I'm gonna stop about halfway. And then I'm gonna draw some half circles on the bottom, just like that. Ooh, that's the ice cream. Ooh, and then you can't forget about the cone. So I'm gonna use the color brown and draw a V. Yeah, if I drew it straight across there, then that would be a triangle. All right, let's connect that, just like that. And then I'm gonna do some stripes. Whoa! Yeah, it looks like we have some texture right there. Wow, doesn't that look yummy? Whoa! Wow, I sure do love drawing, and I sure do love ice cream. I only eat ice cream after I eat a nice healthy meal. Well, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Woof, woof, woof. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I was just acting like a dog. Hey, why don't you and I draw a dog together? Yeah. All right, first we need to draw 6 circles on the bottom. Will you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. And now 2 half circles, one right there. Whoa, and a bigger one right there. Whoa, let's draw 2 eyes. Yeah, 2 circles that we color in, just like that. And then let's fill this area in for the nose. And we can't forget about the whiskers. Those are just dots, just like that. Oh, and let's make a little tongue. Ah. Okay, let's draw some ovals for some ears, just like that. And then we need to draw the tail. Whoa! Look at that long point. And to finish it up, let's draw some straight lines for the feet. Whoa, cool. Did you like drawing the dog with me? Yeah, that was fun. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Woof, 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 woof. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you like donuts? Yeah, I do too, but I only eat donuts after I eat a nice big healthy meal. But today, you and I get to draw a donut. All right, let's first take this brown marker and draw a big circle. There we go, just like that. And let's draw a smaller circle on the inside. Now it looks like you can hold that donut, huh? Om nom nom nom. But it doesn't look tasty without frosting, right? I know. I should probably take my pink marker and then draw some frosting right there. Whoa, now that looks tasty, right? I know, but what will make it even tastier is sprinkles. So let me take this purple marker and make some sprinkles. There we go. Wow, pink frosting and purple sprinkles. Whoa! Now that looks like a yummy donut. Whoa! If you like donuts and you love drawing with me and you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Hey, it's me, Blippi Bunny.
Just kidding, it's me, Blippi, and I was just acting like a bunny. Hey, why don't we draw a bunny together today? Wow, I love bunnies. They are so cute and fluffy. All right, let's draw the head. There we go, nice circle. Ooh, and let's draw the ears. They have big, tall ears. Yeah, there we go. Whoa, and now let's draw the face. 2 circles for the eyes. Ooh, a circle for the nose. Oh, and then down here, yeah, let's draw the buck teeth. There we go. And speaking of buck, yeah, an adult male is called a buck. Yeah, an adult female bunny is called a doe, and a child is called a kit. Isn't that cute? Whoa. All right, let's draw on the eyes. There we go. Can't forget about the big whiskers. There we go. So cute. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw a spider with me? Yeah, I like spiders. They are so cool how they can spin webs. Wow, isn't that unique? I know. All right, to draw a spider, I'm gonna grab this black marker and draw a circle. All right, just like that. And then, since they have 8 legs, let's draw 8 curved lines like that. There we go. And then 4 on this side to make the 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then let's draw a circle right here for an eye, circle right there for an eye, and then a smiley face. But this isn't just a normal spider. This is a black widow. Let's draw the hourglass over there. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, black widows have this red hourglass on the body. Yeah, you don't want to get close to those. Pretty cool. Well, I love drawing, and if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you like fruit? Yeah, I do too. One of my favorite fruits is an apple. Maybe you and I should draw an apple today. Wow, there's green apples, red apples, yellow apples, but today you and I are gonna draw a red apple. All right, so let's draw a curved line like this. Ooh, and another curve on that side. There we go. And then, since apples have stems and leaves, let's take the color green and then do a stem right up here. There we go. Maybe a little thicker, but then for the leaf, a couple curved lines like that, and then a line right in the middle. Whoa, doesn't that look like a tasty apple? I know, it does, but I'm gonna color in the apple now. I'm gonna make a little line like that. Yeah, so then it looks like a reflection. And then, time to color! Yum! Whoa, that was so much fun drawing and coloring an apple together. If you wanna draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Happy birthday! Yeah! Hey, it's me, Blippi. And since it's someone's birthday out there, why don't we draw a birthday cake together? Whoa, I love birthday parties. They're so much fun. Yeah, because big group of people get together around the cake, they sing happy birthday, and then whoever's birthday it is, they blow out the candles. Whoa, and then you get to eat the cake. So yummy. So let's draw a straight line, and then the first layer of the cake. There we go. And then let's draw the second layer of the cake. Oh, this is gonna be a big, tasty cake. Ooh, and let's draw 3 small rectangles. Yeah, these are the candles because this person is turning 3 years old. Ooh, and can't forget about the little flames up top. There we go. So then they can blow them out. But we're not done yet. We need some icing. Yum! Wow. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you later. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever been outside when it's raining? Yeah. What do you hold in your hand? Yeah, an umbrella, so then you don't get all wet. Why don't we draw an umbrella together? First, we have to draw a big half circle. Whoa! And then 3 smaller half circles the other way. There we go. And then we need to draw the letter J. Yeah, just like that. For the handle. Doesn't that look like the letter J? I know. And then if we draw lines like this, yeah, it has little sections that we can color it in and make a very colorful umbrella. So let's add some red right there. Whoa! Let's add some green. Whoa! There we go. And let's add some blue. Whoa! Now that's a colorful umbrella. Whoa! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout. Blippi!